Cro. Our today's release is about another model from Britax Romer King 2LS and its next series, King 2LS Black Series. Traditionally, Britax Romer is working to maximize improvements of the particular already existing model. That's why the variety of the King 2 car seat, as well as many others, is presented with not less than 3 types today. Some of them are also produced separately, with the changed frame color due to what they are called Black Series. So what's the special feature that is added this time? Those people who are familiar with King 2 will be able to compare the main specifications with additional ones, and will familiarize the beginners with this King 2 LS model. Specifications. The car seat is designed for children from the age of 9 months to 4 years. That is with a weight of approximately from 9 to 18 kilograms. The car seat is versatile and easily installed. You can use the car seat in all cars with a 3-point safety belt. It is mounted only in the direction of movement of the car. Clicking on one of the side keys, you will be able to lean the seat backrest, which helps to put the safety belt correctly at the guiding points on both sides. After lowering the backrest, the belts are automatically tightened and fixed. The pen is lowered with the help of the handle on the side. Also, the belt should be put through the side guiding points near the baby's head. The 5-point safety belt with special breast shells is, as always, the reliable child's fixing and additional comfort while traveling. The uniqueness of the car seat is that it is equipped with the light and sound indicator, LS. This indicator helps to tighten the safety belt correctly when fixing the child. It's strong enough for reliability and not too much, so you do not restrict your baby's movements, and the light and the sound signal help to make sure that everything is done correctly. Deep soft sidewalls create a kind of protective frame for the baby. Their effect is particularly effective in case of side collisions. The head restraint can be adjusted in 11 positions. The safety belt is automatically adjusted with it. To do this, loosen the safety belts and lift the head restraint with the handle above the head restraint. Children grow up quickly, and the car seat is adjusted to the appropriate height. The angle of inclination can be adjusted in 4 positions, so it is comfortable for the child to observe the road as well as to relax. You can do this with the button in the front part of the car seat under the pen. The cover for the car seat is made of fabric which can be washed in the washing machine. It is easily removed and put on. The car seat weighs 10.3 kilograms. This is a fairly heavy weight that you need to consider when purchasing. King 2LS car seat is easily installed due to the falling backrest. It is equipped with additional technologies that simplifies the moment of fixing the child in the car seat. It is comfortable with the ability to adjust various parameters, because it will stay with you for at least 3 years, so the car seat is able to grow up with the baby. It has a nice look and a rich selection of colors. Hopefully our today's review was informative and useful for you. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon!